Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the problem 9 over 6 to the power of 9 over 6. So I want to find the value of this problem. So to start off, this can already be simplified. 9 over 6 is the same thing as 3 over 2. So now I have 3 over 2 to the power of 3 over 2. Now, I'm going to use a property of exponents that states that if I have something in the form a to the power of 1 over n, this is equal to the nth root of a. So, what I'm going to do is rewrite 3 over 2 to the power of 3 over 2 as 3 over 2 to the power of 3 and the square root of all of this. And this is the same thing as 3 over 2 to the power of 2 plus 1. And the reason I rewrote 3 as 2 plus 1 is because if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So let's just ignore this radical over here and just focus on 3 over 2 to the power of 2 plus 1. So if we use this property on this is going to turn into 3 over 2 squared times 3 over 2 to the power of 1, which is just the same thing as 3 over 2. And now we can bring back our radical. Now this is the same thing as the square root of 3 over 2 squared times the square root of 3 over 2. So I basically just separated these two. Now the square root of a square simply just leads to the term inside of it because these two cancel out. So I'm left with 3 over 2 times the square root of 3 over 2. And the square root of 3 over 2 is the same thing as the square root of 3 over the square root of 2. So I get 3 root 3 over 2 root 2. So now I'm going to multiply this by the square root of 2 over square root of 2 just to get this radical from the denominator out. So now I get 3 times the square root of 6 over 4 because the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So this is my final answer.